Today we are going to talk about marketing on and off Etsy. So what do I mean? We already discussed it, but I'm just pointing that out a little bit more to make sure you really get that in detail. It's super important first that you understand Etsy SEO. So watch video number 1. And second, that you understand that there is not just Etsy which provides you some marketing tools such as Google listings and promoted listings on Etsy and Facebook ads, but there is also something you can do outside of Etsy to market your products. So it's not just about you paying for advertising, but because if you cannot make people sell which will see your images on Pinterest or somewhere else, if you can't make them buy, then you won't make anyone else buy, even if you pay for it. So you first should master the idea of marketing your product outside of Etsy. Besides SEO, I'm not talking about SEO. SEO is not optional. That is what you have to do. But you have to market also outside of Etsy to make sure that your products are selling. And once they are selling, you go ahead and also add some paid advertising. It's not just about paid advertising. So please get it here for all and forever. Don't just go ahead and pay for advertising a fortune and then you say, okay, I haven't sold anything. It makes no sense. So please, just let's master first marketing outside of Etsy. And you don't have to pay a dime. So first of all, which search engines or which social media platforms are best for Etsy? So everything visual is perfect, right? So what I said in the last video, it is perfect if you are using Pinterest, because Pinterest is a visual search engine, and that's perfect if you have images there and have people repin and click through. We discussed that in detail. And then you might add to your social media marketing also Instagram. Instagram is also most visual platform, and you can tag people over special hashtags, which is also perfect if you ask me. And then you get new followers, more people see your stuff, and most likely they click through to your store, and hopefully they become raving fans and customers. And what else can you do? So there's also Facebook, what you can do, of course. And there's also Twitter you can do. But be aware that something like Facebook and Twitter has a huge disadvantage, and that is that your tweets and also your Facebook's posts are not there for a long time. They go down the timeline all the time, and that means that once you posted it, it's most likely to be old in about an hour or 2 or sometimes 3 or 4, and won't be discovered again and again and again, just as on Pinterest and to a certain point on Instagram as well. So it's better to focus on Instagram and on Pinterest. Most is Pinterest, but then comes Instagram in my eyes. The other idea you might use to market your products outside of Etsy is YouTube. Yeah, why YouTube? Because YouTube is also a visual search engine if you want so, because there are millions of videos. People love watching videos, as you know, most probably from yourself. So it's a perfect place to post videos about your products, or maybe show your products in action, show tutorials about your products, show some how-tos, be creative with what you are showing of your products, and then they also live there forever. There you also do everything about SEO with the right title and right description and right keywords and tags and all that. You use YouTube as a search engine as well. So that is also one place which has things highly discoverable, and therefore it lives there forever. Some marketers say you get views while you snooze, and that is what it's about, because once you are there with a video, you can always be discovered. It doesn't matter if you have 1 view or hundreds of thousands of views, you always can get discovered. It depends on how you optimize your videos, right? So what does it mean for you? Choose the best platform for your product. Don't forget to use Pinterest. And then once you have mastered Pinterest, maybe go ahead and add Instagram to your marketing plan, or maybe even YouTube. So whatever you choose, enjoy marketing, because marketing is one of the most important things you have to do to sell your products on Etsy.